Hi there. I am just finishing up this beautiful woman art doll from the online class that we've been doing this last week. Kind of bled into 2 weeks because I got a little bit behind there. The hands and feet surprisingly gave me a lot more trouble than I was expecting. I was like, got the head done. I thought, oh yeah, I'm home free because I've done a bazillion hands and feet. But at this scale and using the armature inside, it was a little bit of a challenge, especially, doing it with people ready for the class and, needing to get it right and do it well. And so I think I choked just a little bit, got me a little bit stressed out. But at the same time, it has also been incredibly fun to just get a whole doll together and to do it with some involvement from you. So that's been really great to do. I hope you've enjoyed seeing her come together as well. Anyway, I'm just finishing the blushing process on the last piece that I needed to blush, and then I'll be assembling her. So I was going to show you real quick a look at her pieces. Here's the head. Now, she doesn't have her neck on yet because I need to put her body together completely first, and then I'm going to put her neck on with a little bit of a breastplate. And I will need the body to be able to measure that. So that, I'll be doing that right away as well. And then we've got the feet. Turned out so cute. One with a little pointed toe and one that's flat. I also embedded a tube inside of it so it can fit onto a rod on a stand and be in an invisible stand. And then we've got her hands. This one has the nails glossed and everything already. We did fingernails as well. So just a really, really fun project. And then we'll be putting the hair on the beautiful lady as well. I just think she is just adorable. So anyway, this has been a really fun class and fun to do. So just wanted to give you an update. That is almost finished. I'll have that finishing up this weekend. And then as many of you know, have had some health issues I've been dealing with for the past couple months, and so I'm starting to feel better and getting my energy back, and so I'm really excited to be getting these projects caught up on. For one, we've got the Sculpt boxes that I'm a couple months behind on, but I do have the projects in mind. One of them's already mostly filmed as well. I just need to get that finished up, and that's what I'm on to next, is getting those caught up. I think I'll go ahead and just do the projects I had planned, even though they're kind of themed to the month. But I figure people like to buy the past months anyway, and it'll be fun to just have a bunch of different variety to choose from. So those will be coming as well. And, ooh, looks like I accidentally got some stuff on her. So we're going to have a little impromptu. This is what you do if you get some paint on where you don't want it. I just use a lot of the glazing gel because it will kind of just thin everything back out, and then just do this kind of thing. Might even take a little bit more of the glazing gel there too. Anyway, I'm excited to start having more energy again to focus here. It's been really fun to get to know so many of you, to get to know so many sculptors, and I would love to be able to teach many more people. I think I'm having this idea of maybe doing a workshop that's going to be geared towards teaching teachers to teach. I think that would be fun eventually too, especially because we've got Karen Baker here and Sherry Nilsson, that we're all local, and it would be fun to get together. So we'll put our heads together and see what we can come up with. We've also been thinking about maybe some sort of retreat sometime where we would rent a house and all sculpt and stay together while we do a workshop there. So anyway, if you have ideas, send them our way too. It's nice to touch base with you, and happy sculpting. An idea of what we got going here. That hand I think I have on too low, but that I'm pulling tighter just because I felt like her body kind of cinched up a little bit on some of these places. She looks like... Alright, I just have a piece of hair sitting on her there just so we can kind of get a look at how she is with her full body. Alright, so far she doesn't have like her chest or breast area filled out yet. We're still going to be putting on